You thought the puzzler was creepy? Here is the puzzler.
Let me tell you what I'm talking about. The puzzler, he's got a twisted mind. His bubbles in trouble if you get trapped inside. You better stop thinking if the puzzler has caught you. 'Cause if you can sort the puzzle out, the puzzler will sort you.
Not at all. I found a character more creepier. Toucan. Tifters. Creepier than the puzzler. Puzzler versus Toucan. Who is creepier? Puzzler or Toucan?
Creepiest bird in cartoon history. Toucan checklist, creepier than the puzzler. Creepiest bird. Windy day, most pathetic in the Night Garden episode ever. Bye.